Yeah, yeah, now we're going on a test drive. It's a bad test drive for the car. How it goes. All right, let's go. So as you can see, the gauge is on. My temperature gauge is right there. And let's focus on now. Anyway, let's go. Nice. Fattar du att park om Amanda? Ruram. Okay, so it's been almost 2 months. I hope we fix this car. But it seems like it's driving fine. Yeah. Yeah. Let's check up with next service. I got to put my update on the maintenance. Timing chain the next service. 157,000 mileage one morning. I know I need timing chain. Now we're okay. We are like a spot. Check this. Get a feel a little bit. Maybe I'm looking. I check maybe I've got I guess. On the cage. Feel good? Oh. Kasi may figure I guess slow. Nga kasi pad na nga na gauge ga mis sad.
Nella sopra mi fece un po' girare una volta qui so cosa per e poi si rivede again.
Yeah, man. That gives me good. I will hit a hose T connector me. Could fix me the feeder. You will put that. You will override everything. Right now we're about in 3 to 4 or 5 minutes in this drive. This car is good.